Good morning, students. Today we will solve some problems related to exercise 1.6 and miscellaneous exercise. Yesterday you had done these two formulas, that number of elements in A union B is equal to number of elements in A plus number of elements in B minus number of elements in A intersection B. And similarly, if there are three sets, then number of elements in their union is equal to number of elements in A plus number of elements in B plus number of elements in C minus n A intersection B, B intersection C, C intersection A plus n A intersection B intersection C. So now we will use these two formulas to solve these problems. So your first problem is, if number of elements in set X is equal to 17 and in Y it is 23 and union is given to you 38, then how many elements are there in X intersection Y? How many elements are there in their intersection? Clearly you will use the first formula. You know that number of elements in union is equal to nx plus ny minus nx intersection y, right? Then this is what, 38, nx is 17 and ny this is 23, right? So minus n x intersection y, this you have to find out. So three things out of four things, three things are given to you, and the fourth thing that you can find out using this formula. Clear? So what is n x intersection y? 40 minus 38, that is 2. So two elements are there in their intersection. Now second is if number of elements in A is equal to 4 and NB is equal to 5 and number of elements in the universal set, that is equal to 7, and number of elements in A intersection B is 2, then find N A union B whole dash. Means number of elements in A, B intersection and universal set are given to you. You have to find N A union B whole dash. So for finding N A union B whole dash, firstly you will find number of elements in A union B. Number of elements in A union B, again you will apply the same formula. It is NA plus NB minus NA intersection B. NA is 4, NB is 5, A intersection B is 2. So number of elements in A union B is 7. Now for finding the number of elements in A union B dash, you know that A union B dash is universal minus that set. So N A union B dash is equal to number of elements in universal minus number of elements in union. So 7 minus 7 is 0. Now third question, in a group of 65 people, 40 like cricket, 10 like both cricket and tennis. How many people like tennis only, not cricket, and how many like tennis? See, there is difference. You have to find the two things. First is how many people like tennis, and second is how many like tennis but not cricket. So how will you solve this? This we will solve with the help of Venn diagram, or you may solve it with the help of formula. Suppose A is the set of people, those who like cricket, B is the set of people, those who like tennis. Then number of elements in A is given to you, cricket is given to you now 40. And in both is also given to you, it means A intersection B is given to you 10. So what you have to find out? You have to find out two things. First, number of elements in B, those who like tennis, and number of elements in tennis only, not cricket. It means you have to find B minus A. So if we do this question with the help of Venn diagram, then how will we do? Suppose this is universal, this is A, this is B, then 10 people play both cricket and tennis. So this is the region for both. So here we will write 10. And 40 like cricket. So this whole is 40, but 10 is here, so it means here it will be 30. Clear? And group was of 65 people. 30 is here, 10 is here, 40 हो गया, right? So how many are left here? There will be 65 minus 40 means 25 people will be here only in this set. So how many like tennis only, not cricket? This is 25. And how many like tennis? Tennis, this portion is for tennis, na? So 25 plus 10 is 35. This is with the help of Venn diagram, but you may solve it without Venn diagram using what? Using this formula. So N A union B is NA plus NB minus NA intersection B. Union is the survey number of people for which the survey was done. So it is 65. NA is this. So NB you have to find out. A intersection B is given from here. NB is 35, right? And those who play tennis but not cricket, that is B minus A. It means NB minus NA intersection B means 25. So you may do by any method, either by formula or by using Venn diagram. Next question is, in a committee 50 people like French, 20 people like Spanish, 10 both. How many speak at least one of these two languages? Children, whenever at least word is written, it means you have to find union. Suppose A is the set of people who speak French, B Spanish, then NA is given, NB is given, NA intersection B is given, and you have to find at least, it means you have to find their union. So it will be NA plus NB minus NA intersection B means 60. So this is very simple question. Here it was important to know the meaning of at least, and that is union. Clear? Now this is the question of miscellaneous. In a survey of 60 people, it was found that 25 read newspaper H, 26 T, 26 I, 9 both H and I, 11 both H and T, 8 both T and I, and 3 are there who read all 3 newspapers. Then you have to find two things. First, number of people who read at least one of newspaper, and second, number of people who read exactly one newspaper. So I have already told you that whenever you have to find at least one newspaper, it means you have to find their union, and exactly one newspaper, these two things you have to find out. So firstly you will write the information what is given to you. NA is given, and 3 type of newspapers are there. Suppose this is H, T and I. Then firstly you have to find their union, and secondly exactly one. So firstly we will do this question with the help of Venn diagram. So we will fill this portion firstly. So what is this portion? This portion is 3 persons are there who read all 3 newspaper, right? Then 11 are there for both H and T, but 3 is here, it means this is 8. Then 9 are for H and I, na? So 3 is here, then 6 will be here. And then if 8 are for T and I, then if 3 is here, 5 will be here. Now we will find this element. So how many are total? It is what? 25. So here it is 8 plus 3 plus 6. So this is what? 17. So this is 8. Similarly we will fill here and similarly here. Now at least one of the newspaper means you have to find their union. It means you have to add all the elements. 8 plus 8 plus 10 plus 6, 3 plus 5 plus 12. So there are 52 people. Next is exactly one. Exactly one means it should be exactly either H or T or 12. It means only this much portion. This portion for H. This is the portion for H, and this is the portion for T, and this only portion is for exactly I. So you will add them. 8 plus 10 plus 12, it will be 30. So these are some problems which are based on miscellaneous exercise and exercise 1.6. Now your chapter is finished, and from tomorrow we will start with the next chapter, relations and functions. Thank you.